Hi, teacher. This is the last project. So, my name is Claudia Segura, and I want to present to you one of my classmates. Her name is Milena. She is middle 30s, and she's medium height and thin. She has white skin, and her hair is long and red. She has black eyes, and she's beautiful. I love spending time with her. She's a lovely person. She's talked about funny. We have a lot in common, like music, movies, food, and TV series. Uh, when I meet her, she was very shy, but I saw one of the pictures in her desk, and it was a beautiful cat. I love cats too. After I saw the picture, I told her I really love cats, and that was the beginning of our friendship. And she's awesome. Thank you, teacher. Bye bye.